Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today. We have this box from Macy's. I did a little shopping on Macy's.com. Got to use my little money off there from my coupons. I got a few little kits here to bring. Very affordable, I think. I got a few other little goodies, of course. Some of these boxes. I do have my phone. Hopefully I'm going to show you the one item first. This right here is from MAC. And this is 3-piece Hail to the Chic lipstick set. And this was created for Macy's. This was $25, I do think. Yep. So there are the 3 shades. Excited to... I love MAC lipsticks. True and Tried will always be a fave. And they come nicely packaged up here. Let's unpackage them. So we have 3 tubes right here. Let's do the first one. I don't know if I'm going to be able to rip. Ruby Woo. I'm trying to think if I have this. If I have this one, I'll share it. It's a pretty bright red. More of a blue red. Oh, Stay Curious is this one. I love the rubberized. That's right there. Beautiful shade. Of course it fell. This one is not rubberized. That's why it slid right out of my hand. So this is slick. And these have that rubberized feel. And this one is on this one piece of hair. Oh, Teddy something. I have no idea what that's. I could probably look on the box. Well, that's a pretty shade. Pretty neutral. A little bit of pink. I don't know if they say it on here. Retro Matte. One is Retro Matte, which will be this one. And Powder Kiss are these right here. So I'm excited for these 3 tubes of lipstick. Definitely worth the price because you spend that for one. And they are full size. So there's no complaints there. The next thing that I did get is right here. And this was from Clinique. And this was how much? Nope, wrong picture. Okay, if I could find the price. $12, I think this was. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 products. Does it tell you? Yeah, it does tell you on the side, like what's in here, but we'll just open it and see for ourselves. Nicely wrapped. Right here. So the eyeliner, I think this is an eyeliner, Clinique eyeliner, which I'll share right here, is a black. I'll get that back in the box. Like everything is cutely packaged. And I do like a lot of Clinique products. I used to use strictly Clinique back in the day. And this is all about eyes. Cute little sample, which I knew these were samples. I can't get it open. The smaller the container, the harder it is for me to open. Nice little cream. Works very nice. Just back in. And then we have this little bundle packaged up. Got it more for the lipstick than anything, if I'm being honest. And here we have the Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. Love that too. Cute little lip. And this is Plum Pop right here. Little mini, this is beautiful, which you still get. Like that's how much you get. I mean, it's not as, the diameter's not the same, but this is such a pretty shade. I think I have a full size of this. Great to travel with. So that's for $12. Definitely worth it, in my opinion, the Clinique. And then these two are plastic. 2 little gift sets. Let me find, we'll do the one. We'll do this one first, the clean list, because I have the price right here. Oops. And that was $17.50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products. So let's try this. Let's see. We'll keep the box for right now, but that'll be going. Just missed the recycling. It's all nicely packaged. And I think they said there's gift cards inside. So I have $5 off my next beauty purchase, which is nice. It's good till February of next year, so I'll put that with my, I think I have one other that's still good. So I like to use them. From Diana Madison Beauty, the Glow Factor Rosehip Oil Sheet Mask. Not bad. Then in here we have from Origins, Checks and Balances. This is a face wash. Always nice to have that. From Free, Restorative Night Cream. Well, samples, which, like, I knew they were samples when I bought it, so I'm not disappointed. Right here, Fry. I think it might be Fry. Is it Fry? I'm not sure. And then we have from Elemis the Maureen, Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Always great to have that. This is a brand that I've been enjoying a lot lately, from Kopari. An eye brightening cream. This is always a fan favorite. Good Genes by Sunday Riley. And Clarins, believe it or not, and is very, very good. And this is a toner, like a tonic treatment. I have a Clarins hand and, oh, that's a tiny little thing right there. It's a hand cream, but it's like a cuticle cream. It has a very light, because I wouldn't be able to use it, rose smell. But when I say your hands, like my hands are very dry and rough right now. I've been washing them like a million times a day, but it's change of season. It's getting cold. It's getting warm. It's getting cold again. Hands get like sandpaper. I put that on the other night and instantly my hands were slick. I mean, I had to put it on last night and they're still soft. And I've washed my hands like, I can't tell you how many times already today. But they don't feel like it really lasts. It's a thick cream, so you only need like a pea-size amount for both your hands. Rub it into your cuticles, your nails. It's very moisturizing and long-lasting. And probably within 10-15 minutes, I don't smell the rose anymore. But it's, like I said, it's super, super light. So that one is pretty good in my opinion. I'm always looking now, without pastry, I'm looking for more sheet masks, different brands. Do I like them, not like them? So I'm willing to give them a try. And then this one right here, and I do believe, was at the same price. Very itchy nose today. Yeah, $17.50. And I do believe there's another it says $5 off, another card in there. So cute little samples to try. Great gifts. You know, if you had a, $20 under to give to somebody that likes skincare and makeup. Oh, this is a lot bigger. Here, let's get all this tissue out. I don't like the tissue paper. And this one is, oops, oh, here we go, dropping everything. Another $5 off, which I will put to the side. I keep that with my phone. So we have another sheet mask, and this is, I don't know if it's the same one, rosehip oil. It's the same mask. Happy to have that. What are you? From Loverly. I don't know if this is a bath bomb. I can't. Let me see. Yeah, right here, Loverly. This is a gold bath bomb. Okay. We'll take a look at that. Trying to get rid of all the papers. From Buddha. This is Coco Shea Revitalizing Cream. This brand is mid-priced, I think, or maybe a little bit more expensive. I can never open these small ones. Isn't that horrible? They have such, I think this is sealed. Doesn't have paper on it? No. Yeah, I can't open that. Good brand. Oh, I can see the seal on it. Good brand, and that is, you know, a nice moisturizer. What do we have here from Elizabeth Arden? What are you? Provage right here. So here's that. Anti-aging daily serum, like a decent size too. To try. We'll give that a shot. What do we have here? From Kiehl's Creme de Corps. Let me find you on here. What are you? I would assume a hand cream. Right here. Hand cream, I would assume. Could be wrong, but from, oh, we'll save that one for last. Another great brand, again, Kapari Ultra Restore Body Butter. Happy to have that. From Lancome, Absolute. I can't read these. So this is a revitalizing and brightening soft cream. From Clarins, another one of the tonic treatment oils that I just showed you. But look, a little mini Clinique Happy. How nice. Perfect travel. I love Clinique Happy. I don't know if my sister still wears this all the time, but this used to be her scent. I do like this. Where's this brand? It's just right. Like, I can't give you the notes, obviously, but just, there's a little tiny bit of spice. A hint of citrus, a wealth of flowers, a mix of emotions, wear it and be happy. And that's everything that was in this one. This one, I think, had more products in it for the same price. Right here. Oops. 9 favorites that moisturize from head to toe. And then the clean list right here. Plus the $5 off coupons. Most excited for the MAC lipsticks, to be honest with you. And that's everything that I picked up on my Macy's haul. I didn't want to spend a ton of money, but I wanted to try to look at some of their kits that they offer for the holidays. And if you can get them for under $20, like maybe in another week or so, you might see them a little cheaper. Because I thought last year, I'd have to look back. I think I got them for less than $17.50, but I'm not sure. But I don't think that's a bad deal for samples. Let's face it, Ipsy Glam Bag is, what, about $17 now with tax and shipping and handling. That's what this was. You get 9 products. Now, yeah, they're samples, but they're better brands and they're better samples. So you gotta, I always look at that like, well, this is my regular Macy's beauty bag, Ipsy Glam Bag. These aren't that far off price. So, and I didn't pay shipping. I'm sure I paid tax because, you know, you pay tax on everything. But, like I said, you know, don't discount, like, looking at Macy's and stores like TJ Maxx and, you know, Ross and all those types of stores, you know, whatever stores you have in your area. You can find some really great moisturizers, nail kits, just like all that for the holidays and without breaking the bank. Like, I even looked at the OPI advent calendar, but the bottles of nail polish are like this big. I'm like, no. And, like, I wasn't a fan of all the shades that they put in there. Like, if they would have been all matte shades, not, like, creams and glitters, I might have thought about it because I could always use them for, you know, pedicure. Some of them I would use for my nails, but, you know, which I have to do today. You can tell what hand gets the beating more, my right hand. I think I might dip my nails this time. I'm not really sure. I just have to make sure I have time to do that. But thanks for watching. Enjoy your day, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.